Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials on Mondays and Wednesdays, and on Fridays I do fabulous drag looks because Fridays are a drag. In today's video, I'm doing a PR box opening and try on for a bunch of. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Lilly Lashes sent me PR. That literally was my reaction. Yeah, so it was very unexpected. So I'm very excited to show you the 8 pairs of different lashes. So I'm gonna tell you what they are, and you're gonna see what they look like on my eyeballs. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all new videos I upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live on some Mondays. So follow me on social media, the links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. So like, comment, subscribe, it's good for the algorithm. And let's get right into this try-on video. So Lilly Lashes reach out for me on Instagram, and I just want to first, if you guys are watching, I want to say a huge thank you to the team. Thank you for offering me the lashes. It was very unexpected. I was like, who, me? I'm the top liver of the Instagram and YouTube. Who knows Elaina Glam? But I guess they noticed. I've been using their mascara, and I love Lilly Lashes mascara. It's very thickening. I received it in a BoxyCharm box, and I still have it actually. Here is a receipt and deleted tweets. Lilly Lashes. So maybe that's why they reached me, but anyway, huge thank you. They said they're gonna send me a personalized kit, and they did, and the box is huge. This arrived in the mail, and I was like, what is this? I thought it was something that I ordered from Amazon. It's too big, but yeah, that's all the stuff. They sent me 8 pairs of lashes, and here's the container from the lash glue and lash scissors. I already showed them in a future video. The scissors, I still can't figure out how to cut with them. They don't cut anything, but it might be because I'm lefty. You know that lefties sometimes cannot use the right scissors that had like blades opposite. I mean, long story short, I'm a hairdresser and I have special scissors, so these don't do anything for me. But the tweezers are really neat. The tweezers have a little comb here, I guess to comb the lashes. Yeah, that's very handy. I like the tweezers. They're very convenient, very pointy. And the pairs of lashes, I'm just gonna give you a fair warning. They're real mink lashes. And if you guys all want to go cruelty free, you're probably gonna be like, yeah. So I wouldn't choose real mink lashes if I were buying them myself, but you know, I wasn't choosing anything. They were sent to me by the PR team, and I didn't choose them. Just a disclaimer. There are a lot of lashes that's large, like real large, like this, the ones you've seen, and some of them are smaller. So I'm gonna go from small to big. Just really briefly, the price point I said at the end of the video. The real mink lashes, they're $30 each. That's a top price. That's very pricey. So this, we're talking about premium lashes, and you can tell the band is very comfortable. It fits even if I trimmed it very small, very lightly. I barely cut a small piece off, and it fits. And the end is all over here, and it still fits. It's not lifting. So you know, you pay for the quality apparently, because you know I'm a cheap hoe. So for me, it's like, wow, this is so nice. So $28 is a faux mink lashes, and like the same styles but in faux mink, and they have also clearance. So some of them 17, some of them 13, and some of them even 10, like a small mink lash sample sale. Like, yeah. So if you guys are interested, you can go shop the sale. I wasn't even aware they're all so inexpensive on sale. So That's going to be all linked in the description box. I don't have any affiliate codes or any discounts or anything, so just for information. So let's get right into this try on part. So let's start the try on. I am so excited because the box is huge. And I might have to go to voiceover because I think all hell is about to break loose. Our monster neighbor's about to throw a party outside and I'm scared. But anyway, I'm very excited to try all of the styles. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of lashes. So we're going to be trying them all. I think one is doubling. Pretty sure. So we're gonna try all of them, one of each, and also got lash scissors. I've got brush on glue, brush on lash adhesive, and I got a lash applicator with a little comb, which is very interesting. So let me open up one pair. And we're gonna go from small to large because, you know, I'm an extra queen, so I'm gonna leave the biggest for the last. My hair is Miami Flare. This is what it looks like. It's pretty long lengthwise, so it can fit any eye. It might be a little too long for me, so I probably could trim a little bit. I think this is the smallest one, so I'm gonna pop this on. So this is Miami Flare. This is actually much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I mean, I thought they were like really modest. Well, which they are, but for me, they're really nice, like for everyday life. The band is very comfortable. It's not the thinnest, but it's very comfortable. It's pretty thin, actually. And I like the way they're curved already, so they fit over the eye well. I think I could have trimmed it a little more because it kind of like goes all the way in. But because the band is so curved, it does not pop up. And because some of the lashes start to pop, these ones, they don't. But I mean, this is the quality lashes we're talking about, people. So this is the Miami Flare. These are called Ibiza, and these are about the same size, maybe slightly bigger. So I'm going to trim them and put them right on. So this is style Ibiza, and I think there's even a little wispier and smaller than Miami Flare. They're okay for like going to Walmart, you know. For me, like everyday lashes, that's perfect. But of course, it's not my usual style, like them bigger. But this is perfect for a very natural look. They're very comfortable. I did not trim this band much either. Like the inner corners are all the way here, but they're still very comfortable just because the way they're curved. I mean, they're really pretty looking ones. Also got to show you, that's the next pair, So Extra Miami, and that's Infamous Miami. I cannot wait to try this on. And let me trim a little piece of it and I'll be right back. So these are the Miami, the So Extra Miami. Really beautiful. These are more dramatic, that's more me. I love this a lot. I mean, I'm losing a little bit of eyeliner. I keep reapplying it because, you know, the eyelashes, the glue comes off, everything comes off. But yeah, I'm really feeling this is a really nice ones. Again, the band is very comfortable. It's not poking me in the inner corner. All of the inner corner is kind of low. Very nice, very comfortable. I mean, that's the reason they're premium lashes. So this is a style NYC. So they put them on and I'll be right back. So this is NYC on. And these are more fluffy and less separated. So they're less spiky and wispy. They're more like an even, you know, like even distance from each other. So I like them. They're still dramatic. And they look a little thicker because they're not as separated. I kind of like this style better. Most people prefer whispers, I think. But I like when they're thick. But I kind of like all of them for now. Except for the smallest ones. Yeah, these are real pretty. So this is a style Hollywood. So that's the next one. I'm gonna put it right on. So these are Hollywood. And these are beautiful. They're a little more wispy than NYC. And they're bigger. I think they're bigger than Miami Flare. So extra. No, so extra. Because I kind of like separated lashes by size, I think. At least that I thought. These are really beautiful. Like all of these are gorgeous. So these are the Hollywood. So these are caramel and they're big. They're big. These are right up my alley. I could do drag looks with this. So let me put this on. So there you have it. I trimmed them. I could have trimmed them all like the other ones, but just like I don't want to cut them a lot. They're so gorgeous. These are like right up my alley. These are me. That's me in eyelash. They're huge. They're fluffy and they're thick. And they're a little wispy too at the ends. Like the only non-wispy one, they're like the same distance from each other. Those NYC, I think. And these are like very extra. Caramel. I have a feeling the last one is gonna be the biggest, so extra my corners. Oh, can't wait. So these are so extra my corners. So let me put them on, and that's gonna be our last pair. So this is the last pair, and this is so extra Mykonos. Mykonos or Mykonos? John, my husband is here. I'm asking him a question.
I don't know.
He says I don't know. You probably heard it. So don't call me stupid if he doesn't know, and I'm Russian, and I don't know, so we even. Oh, look at that. Look what I found. I found a piece of eyelash in my hair. That's how you know you're a real drag queen. You got eyelashes in your hair. Anyway, yeah. So I would say this could be my favorite. So extra Mykonos. Or Mykonos. Like correct me somewhere. I should have googled that first. Hey Siri, how do you pronounce Mykonos?
It's Michael.
She doesn't know either. She thinks it's Michael. Anyway, that was the finest part. Siri is always right. Anyway, yeah, I love this the most. These are the most extra, the most dramatic. So this is it. That was the last pair. So thank you to Lilly Lashes team. You really surprised me. Thank you so much for contacting me on Instagram. That was so unexpected. Thank you for sending me this box. I cannot wait to use these lashes in my future looks, in all my videos, Instagram posts, for all my extra looks. They're gonna look just right, especially something like this. So you all know what Lilly Lashes are. So this is not a new brand, obviously. So I'm going to link their website in the description box. I don't have any affiliate code or any discount or anything. I'm just gonna link it down below. So if you guys are interested, look it up and let me know what you think. Do you own any Lilly Lashes? If you're a bougie bee, you probably do. So leave me a comment, like this video if you enjoyed it, and just subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live on some Mondays. So follow me on social media. The links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. Huge thank you to all my patrons. Thank you guys so much for the support. I love you all, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!